Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson and I'm a certified life coach. Now, is there somebody that you work with that you just never seem to be able to get along with, and you actually sometimes maybe feel sick or get headaches just being around them, and you've tried to get along, but you feel it could be even affecting your health and your emotional state? Well, then this video is for you. It's about how to protect yourself from negative energy at work. And I'm going to go over two different ways for you to do. One involves energy, and the other is a practical way to look at the situation a little bit differently. Now, I thank you for watching this video, and I thank you, all my subscribers. I really appreciate everybody that watches and everyone that subscribes. And with that being said, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to talk about how to protect yourself from negative energy at work. And this could also apply if you're in a school situation. What it is it's not like in a relationship where maybe you could walk away, or somebody you're socially friends with, that you can just walk away and avoid the relationship. If you have a colleague at work or somebody you have to work with at school, chances are there's not a lot you can do about it except deal with the situation. Now, I'm going to go over two different ways, and if you have any questions about this, please write to me in the comments. I will get back with you, and I really enjoy hearing from you. So the first is to look at the situation a little bit differently. Usually when we're in a work situation, if there's a clashing, it's either someone's right and someone's wrong. It's the right or wrong attitude. So I want you to stop that for a minute and look from a viewpoint of empathy towards that person. So the next time you're in that situation, maybe ask them how they're doing, but really listen. Be patient and listen, instead of interjecting your own autobiography, which is judgment. Is it right or wrong? Again, like I said, right or wrong, criticism, approval. Don't put your autobiography in it. Just listen. And you'd be surprised how that might change the situation. Maybe by just listening, there will be a synchronicity in the future. Now, it doesn't mean you agree with everything they're saying, but there could be a synchronicity in the future. Just listen, and you may gain some very powerful insights. And as part of this, I want you to do this exercise. Think of a situation with this person that is troubling to you. Now, you know how you feel about the situation. I want you to write down from that person's point of view how they feel about the situation. And again, they grew up different than you did. Their family situation may be different than yours. So write it from their point of view. And again, I think that will give you empathy. And then the next time you have a situation with them, see if you were pretty accurate of their point of view. So do that. And again, it's empathy, be respectful, and be patient with them. You'd be surprised if coming into that situation instead of the right or wrong. So that's the first one, empathy. The second is to protect your own energy. Our auric fields, our aura around us is full of energy. Every situation, every words we say, situations we're in, become part of our aura. So if there's a situation like this that's kind of negative, it may affect your aura. But the good part is you can strengthen your aura, and not only are you strengthening it, but you will help the other people around you. So in this situation, to protect yourself from the negativity, strengthen your own aura. And other people will notice it. So you're probably saying, how do we strengthen it and why? Because with the negativity, your aura is contaminated. And you don't want that. You want to restore the equilibrium. You want to restore the love, joy, and life of a strong aura. So how do you do this? Well, it's real simple. So here's an exercise. I'm going to walk you through it. And I suggest doing this in the morning before you go to work. Just spend maybe 5 minutes doing this, and it will make such a difference. And the more you do it, the more you will strengthen your aura. So the negativity will not affect you as much, especially will not affect your health. So first, just quiet your mind. Just sit in a chair, quiet your mind, close your eyes, And I want you to envision a globe of white light all around you. A globe of white light all around you. From your head all the way to your feet. A beautiful white globe of light. And it could be shimmering white. Now when you do this, I want you to spend maybe a minute just picturing this white light, knowing it's restoring the equilibrium in your aura, and this light is a light of protection. And then I want you to repeat this. You could take notes. But for right now, I want you to just picture it and watch it again and then take the notes. Okay, that globe of white light. I am light. Glowing, radiant light. Intensified light. God consumes my darkness, transmuting it into light. I am light. You ready? Open your eyes. And again, these are the I am affirmations. They're very powerful. What goes after them? Because I am, you're putting infinite intelligence, God, source, whatever label you want to use. It doesn't matter. But you're bringing the infinite in to help you. So by saying, I am light. Now, if you do this every morning, you will see a difference. So it's the two-step. One is the empathy, and the second is to protect your own aura with the white light. Now again, I'm grateful for all my subscribers. I'm sending you lots of love and light, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing and maybe sharing it with somebody that could use this two-step process. Thank you. See you next time.